My name is Joshith. I'm going to tell how abacus helped me in doing math. First, before learning abacus, I would feel math is the very hard subject in my school and I would not get how to do it more quickly and it would be so hard for me. Then I joined the Abacus Academy in 4th class and after I was graduated in 7th class. Now I'm currently in 7th class. So after graduated, I felt that because of abacus, my math marks increased and it helped a lot in doing maths in the school, and even my teachers appreciated me about the math problems I solved, and I was very fast in that. Thank you.
Scan this QR code for a free demo class.